Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? I'm so appreciate all your support of my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you're new to my channel, just so you know, I'm Steve Jant. My YouTube channel is focused on 90% beauty and skincare and 10% lifestyle. And if you into skincare, want to learn more about skincare, subscribe my YouTube channel over here and turn on the notification bell. I release a video every single day. Today's videos, we're going to talk about skincare routine. Really focus on what product goes on first. This is the question I get a lot from everyone, so I decided to make a video take you through from the beginning to the end for daytime and nighttime. In this video, it won't be focused on specific products, but just a general idea what goes on first and why you're using those products. So get your pen ready and hopefully you found this video helpful, and let's get started.
So much.
How
I've been
do you
feeling,
look like this?
You know how I look like this. I use these two products like day to day. So I want to talk to you about my ritual because I have a ritual.
Everyone can use this, and this special kit after your toner, then you can put a couple drops, press on the skin. It balances, it renews the skin, make your skin even more radiant. Okay, skincare routine. What I'm about to share with you, it's not something that you have to do. I want to tell you that first. You're going to pick what's right for you. So for example, if I say use this first before that, but if you don't have it, then you don't need it. If you happen to have the product at home, then that's how you're going to follow to get the best results. Just want to remind you that. Start with the morning routine. In the morning, we have discovered majority of the people don't wash the face with cleanser in the morning because you think you're at home sleeping, there's no reason to use a cleanser to wash the face. You just use water. That's no. You have to use a cleanser wash your face in the morning. The reason why is even though you are asleep, but your body still function, do their job. So it will detoxify the oil, the dirt on the surface of the skin. Especially you're laying on the pillow for 6-7 hours. So imagine the bacteria got stuck on the pillow and transferred back to your face, back and forth. That's not good. So you'll have to physically remove that using cleanser. So I definitely recommend use a mild foaming cleanser to refresh your face and start your day with the cleanser. That's very, very important. Although you don't need to use double cleanse. Double cleanse is really for more like a nighttime if you wear makeup. So daytime, just regular cleanser should be just fine. Number 2 product you're going to be using is your toner. Toner is really designed to remove the residue from the water and the cleanser because majority of the people don't spend too much time to wash their face. Even if you do, you rinse off really fast, you may have some residue left on the skin. So you want to make sure that is completely removed. So that's what toner is designed for. However, technology is being so amazing right now for cosmetics. So based on your skin concern and skin needs, this different toner can provide what you're looking for. So for example, if you are worried about lack of radiance, so there are toner out there will help you either exfoliate the skin or provide luminosity to the skin. Or if you say you worry about aging, there's anti-aging toner. So it depends your skin concerns, condition, there are toners available. Number 3, serum. Serum, I get a lot of people ask me, is it necessary? Well, the thing is, if you don't have any skin concern at all, then you don't need a serum. Think about serum as vitamins. You only take vitamins when you starting notice that you need some help, right? Like multivitamins. You don't really take multivitamin when you are 10 years old, but you take multivitamin when you turn 20. As you turn 30, 40, 50, 60, there's different vitamins that you will take to support your body to providing the right nutrient vitamins for your body. So same thing for skin. Serum help you to address a very specific concern. Depends your concern, there are different serums out there. Some serum feels like water texture, some serum gonna feel like a gel texture, and there are some serum actually gonna feel like a lotion. So it really depends. But however, typically you want to use a serum right after toner, because after toner your skin is at a perfectly stage that clean, balance, and it's ready to absorb the skincare. So that's what serum goes in there. How many serum can you apply each time? You can apply up to 2 serum at a time. No more than 2, because your skin can only absorb so much ingredients. If you use more than 2, most likely the serums are going to do anything for you. And in terms of which serum goes first, just remember the lightest texture always go on first. So if you have a serum feel very milky, very rich, very heavy, that should go on last, and then the liquid serum need to go on first. Make sense? Okay, so that's the serum. You can use up to 2 serum based on your skin concern. It should be something like hydrating serum with vitamin C serum, exfoliating serum with a hydrating serum, hydrating serum with a lifting serum. That type of combinations. So how do you like this video so far? Do you found this helping? So leave the comment below if you like the video like this. Alright, now let's move on to next. What do you do after serum? Typically, I like to begin with eye treatment first before the moisturizer. The reason why is a lot of people actually have very sensitive eyes because the eye area has no oil glands. It's very, very dry. So if you have a very sensitive skin, you put the moisturizer first. You will absorb all the way in the eye. It may cause irritation, or So that's why you want to use your eye cream or eye lotion or eye gel. So it creates a barrier, protect this area, so other treatment doesn't go past that. So that's one of the purpose of an eye treatment. And of course, I mentioned that there are different types of texture. It's all about your concerns, your need. Typically, in the morning, majority of us are worried. The worry are the puffiness, the dark circle, right? So you want to find a brightening eye treatment. You can use a massage roller if you want to, or use your fingertips. So just apply that in the daytime that help you brightening up the eyes. In case you are totally into skincare, they are actually serum for the eye area too. So if you're gonna use a serum around the eyes, then you want to use that serum the same time as a face serum. If you don't, then you don't have to. Now, let's talk about what do you do after the eye treatment. It's the face moisturizer. Face moisturizer, its function as creating the barrier, keep all the ingredient beneath and keep all the stuff outside. It continue providing the hydration because our skin won't be able to hold the moisture all day long. It usually evaporate, right? Depends your skin barrier. So the moisturizer acts like a jacket for the skin. So you need the moisturizer on the face. And of course, there are many different texture moisturizer. There are a gel moisturizer, lotion moisturizer, cream moisturizer, wax moisturizer. There's so many type out there. We can do another video talk about that. But again, you want to select the moisturizer based on your skin concerns and your skin type. It's very important. A lot of people told me that I tried this XYZ product, I don't see any result. But then I always ask, what is your skin concern and what does the product do? See, if you're concerned for uneven skin tone, but your skincare is firming and lifting, you're not going to see anything at all because it's not designed for your concerns. So it's very crucial that you select skincare based on your concerns and your conditions. After the moisturizer, what can you do? Sunblock. Sunblock is very crucial. There are so many sunblock out there. If you want me to do a review on what are the best sunblock out there, let me know. I can do it for you too. So sunblock you definitely want to use. However, you want to be careful around the eye area. I usually don't get too close because too close it may cause irritation, cause tear on your eyes. So you have to just be careful and make sure your sunblock not only to your face, your neck, your entire ear. So basically that is the overall daytime skincare. Now let's talk about nighttime skincare. what do you do at nighttime? So nighttime, let's just assume that you wear makeup, right? Even if you don't, you still need to wash your face. If you have a makeup on, you definitely want to use eye makeup remover to remove all the eye makeup and mascara. That is the best way. I see so many YouTubers, they use a cleansing balm, just wipe everything, the eyeshadow, the lipstick all over the face. That's actually very bad for you because you don't want this pigment all over your face. I don't care if it's a cleanser or not. It's just not good. So typically the proper way to remove the makeup is use your eye makeup remover on a cotton pad. Gently press on the eye area, let it sit for about 10 seconds and wipe away mascara and eyeshadow. It should be one swipe. That should take it away. And then you also want to remove the lipstick using the eye makeup remover. That's the first thing you want to do. So please don't use a cleansing balm or you wipe everything your whole face. That's really for social media. Don't do it. Take care of your eyes and your face. Very important. After you remove the eye makeup and lip makeup, then you can remove the face makeup using cleansing balm or makeup remover or cleansing oil. It's very important that you use those type of cleanser because makeup is a chemical, right? So you really want to make sure that you clean your skin really, really good. If you are using your regular cleanser to remove the makeup, you really just remove the makeup, not wash the face. So you have to use a makeup remover. After you remove the face makeup, then you can use your favorite cleanser to deep cleanse the face, remove all the impurity, bacteria, even the bad energy on the skin. Rinse off with warm water, then you follow by your toner. So after toner, if at least once a week, you should use your mask. There are two types of masks you can do, clay mask and the face sheet mask. So actually there's a lot of different masks. I'm just generally speaking, use the mask after the toner. It doesn't matter, it's the clay, hydrating mask, peel mask, sheet mask, what else? Yeah, so it doesn't matter what kind of mask you use after the toner. The reason why is that after toner, your skin at a very clean stage. So it doesn't matter what kind of mask you use, they can get and deliver better results. After the mask, you want to rinse off water, then you can go ahead to use toner one more time. And I think it's very important you do that because sometimes you just not remove the mask properly. So toner as a second cleanse. So toner twice at nighttime. After that, you can use your essence. Essence is more like a new skincare category. Think about it's a multivitamin water for your skin. I didn't recommend use the essence in the daytimes because majority of the people don't have time to put so many layers. So I went ahead to show you at nighttime. So nighttime, essence after toner. Essence usually is texture like water. It absorbs into the skin very fast. After the essence, you can apply your serum. Again, you can use 1 or 2 serum, or you can use the same serum in daytime and the nighttime too. It's all based on you. After that, you want to use your eye treatment, followed by your face moisturizer. Now, there's a little tip right here. If you have some dry patches on the skin, or some dryness on the skin, or some irritation on the skin, at this time you can use a little face oil on top, on the area that you need a little help, so that will hydrate the skin even more. Whew. That's a lot of step, right? So again, I'm not telling you need to buy all the skincare product at home to use. That's just actual step that how you should be using skincare. Obviously, you can skip the toner, you can skip the serum, skip the eye cream, just follow the cleanser, the moisturizer. That's fine too, but I think it's important that I share with you the correct way to use skincare. If you use the skincare correctly and you also select the skincare based on your concerns and lifestyle, most likely you will see visible results. If you don't use the skincare correctly and select the wrong product for your skin concerns, I guarantee you see nothing on the skin. Alright, so I really hope you liked today's video. Explain to you the step by step. Let me know if any questions about skincare, and I will be more than happy to do a review and share with you. Alright, thank you so much for watching my video today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!
Hi, I'm Steve Jan, founder of Yibu Beauty, and these are my sister. We've been together through thick and thin. Nothing comes between us in our family. Just like our bond, the two new releases of the Mooncast collections, our Hero Serum and Hero Moisturizer, are the super duo. Nothing will come between your skin and the Yibu superpowers.